Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Isoma Milano Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a lot of work. We had to basically replace a lot of the parts of the machine, including a relay that it was inside the machine, that it was not letting the boiler heat up. We also had to replace the power cord, as we saw some of the, as you can see, the power cord is just in really bad shape, especially the plug. That can be very dangerous, especially when you are trying to plug it in. If there's any kind of exposed wire right here, you will definitely gonna get shocked. And we also had to replace the vacuum release valve of the machine. This one was leaking a lot of steam to the boiler once we had the boiler heating up, and we also had to replace these the gasket of the water filter as well as the shower screen. So yeah, that's what we did on this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. Okay, hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine. Otherwise, you can see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Nice steady flow coming out of that portafilter. As you can see, definitely pressurizing around it, no leaks or anything around the group head or around the portafilter itself. We're going to stop the shot around the 1.5 ounces, as that's what I put in this basket. As you can see, nice espresso shot coming out from this machine. Steam coming out great out of the steamer one. Excellent temperature. Working perfectly fine. Pressure, as you can see there, stable, no leaks or anything, working great. We also have the flow coming out of the hot water, as you can see, it's a steady stream. Excellent flow, excellent steam, working the way it's supposed to, with a good shower head flow coming out from the shower head. So there you have it, Isoma Milano working once again and ready to roll. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.